Amid the rising coronavirus cases, a private dental college located near Pune city in Maharashtra has asked over 150 of its students to appear for the examinations in person next month after getting quarantined there for 2 weeks. Students of the undergraduate and postgraduate dental courses of the D.Y. Patil Dental College and Hospital in Pimpri town said they have been asked to take COVID-19 test before leaving from their respective cities and reach college at least 2 weeks prior to the exams and get quarantined. The students and their parents have demanded that the exams be postponed in view of the COVID-19 situation. The college authority, however, said all the safety measures, screening, social distancing norms, sanitation will be followed during the exams. This exam was supposed to be held in the first half of the year, but due to the coronavirus situation, it had been postponed, they said. A relative of one of the students who does not want to be named said, the management has asked the student to come to the college by the first week of September and get quarantined for 2 weeks before appearing for the exams in the third week of that month. He further added, everyone knows the situation in Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad. Besides, there is a COVID-19 isolation facility on the college campus. Despite all this, the college is asking students to come and appear for the exams. He added that the college should have postponed the exams as the coronavirus situation in Pimpri Chinchwad is not good. He further added that since most of the students are from out of the state, they will have to come either by plane or bus, and there are a risk of contracting the infection in the process. According to the relative, the students have been asked to take COVID-19 test before leaving the respective city. The college is affiliated to Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, deemed to be university. Its Vice Chancellor, Dr. N.J. Pawar, however, reassured the parents and students that the college has taken all the precautions to conduct the exams of over 150 students of the BDS and MDS courses. In his statement, he added, I reassured the students and parents that the college has taken all the necessary precautions to ensure that all the safety measures, screening, social distancing norm, sanitization will be followed during the conduct of the exams. As a precautionary measure, the students have been asked to take COVID-19 test so that they are completely confident before starting the journey. He further added, we have already conducted the exams of our medical stream and result of the exams are also declared. All the students who passed the exams are currently serving in the current crisis situation. He also added that Medical Council of India, Dental Council of India are of the opinion that manpower or medical practitioners are needed in this current situation. Dr. Pawar said that hostels will be made available for quarantine. There is no problem for the 150 students to appear for the exams as there is seating capacity of 250 students where it will conduct exams, he said. Is it a better way to conduct exams in this current situations? What are your views? Please share with us in comment section below. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.